Think of a colour combination right now, because this light probably has it. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lapland Solar HoHoHo neon sign. Let's get into it. The Lapland Solar HoHoHo neon sign is 24 centimeters tall and 75 centimeters wide. The metal stand gives it an extra 60 centimeters of height when staked in soft ground. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box we have the instructions, the stake and wall mount, the remote control, the solar panel, the metal stand, and the light itself. You can either stake this light into soft ground with the included stand or hang it on a wall or fence. Either way, you're going to be turning your garden into a Christmassy Las Vegas. This neon sign has every lighting option you can possibly think of. You can change the colour or the lighting effect by using the included remote control. Let's have a look at the different options that this remote has. At the very top of the remote we've got the on-off buttons. Every time you turn this light on, it defaults back to the last used mode and cancels out any previously set timers. There are 7 static colour options which include red, green, blue, yellow, pink, sky blue and white. Underneath the 7 static colour options on the remote there are all these different icons. These are the 12 dynamic modes you can set the light to. These include multicolored jump, forward multicolored chase, forward multicolored flow, multicolored stack cycle, multicolored curtain opening, multicolored curtain closing, forward multicolor trailing, reverse multicolor trailing, forward multicolor drift, multicolor refresh and white flicker, and multicolor gradient. At the top of the remote control next to the on-off buttons there's brightening and dimming button options. If you think that's it, there's more. This light has voice control options. These include number 1, which is energy disco, number 2, which is rolling beads, and number 3, which is a trailing effect. You can adjust the voice sensitivity by pressing the plus or minus music buttons. Let's try out the voice controls. You can press and hold any mode key for 2 seconds to turn it off. And finally, this light also has built-in timers. The options are 4-hour or 6-hour timers. So let's set this light up. This light already comes fully assembled, you just need to attach it to the included solar panel. To attach the light to the panel, simply slide the 2 parts together with a 3-pin connector. When setting up the solar panel, you need to decide whether you want to stake it into soft ground or mount it to a wall or a fence. Either way, it needs to be in a sunny spot so it can absorb all that energy in the day to be ready for the night. You'll need to make sure your solar panel is turned on for the light to work. There's also a mode button on the back to go through some of the lighting options. These lights are actually USB-C compatible. On the back of the solar panel you can find a USB-C port. We recommend using this feature for the first time of using your lights. The panel does have a built-in dust sensor, which just means that the light will turn on automatically when it gets dark. So if you've been looking for the ultimate neon sign this Christmas, look no further because this is the only one you need. If you have any questions on this product, please leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.